The start of a building process is always about striving for the ideal. We're motivated by ambition and big ideas. But more often than not, the idea falls victim to the reality of our industry. The Enterprise Centre was our ideal. It was a building with a mission. It sought to set the bar for sustainable construction in Europe and set it high. We were to construct the greenest, most sustainable building in the country. But to achieve this, changes had to ripple throughout the entire supply chain. At Morgan Sindall, we've been innovating for over 20 years. But even a project of this scope was new to us. We've never worked this way before. Our first thought was, can we do this? Can we really do this? We would have to change the industry to make this building happen. Was there a chance we could fail? Of course there was. To build our frame, we chose to use local timber, despite industry expectations. For our foundation, we pioneered a low-carbon concrete that used waste product from the steel industry, recycled aggregate and recycled sand. We sourced natural paints and clay plasters, developed windows that outperformed passive house standards by a third, and incorporated reed boards, nettle fabrics, and a host of renewable and recycled materials. Our cassette-clad thatch walls are another first in construction and became symbolic of the project ethos. It made use of locally sourced materials and traditional techniques, breathed new life into a declining industry, and validated its use in large-scale and commercial projects. Every part of the building has some kind of story behind it, a reason for being, or challenges that were overcome. The Enterprise Centre is a symbol of what can be achieved in British construction if we think differently and are unafraid of trying new processes. In truth, this has been an unconventionally collaborative project. It has required so many ideas and expertise at every stage of the process. It's a building with everybody's fingerprints on it. But with these real-world demonstrations, we hope to wake up the UK construction industry to the benefits and resources in our own back garden. We won't change the industry overnight, but change it we will.